Well guys, snowblower did crap. Had to do everything with this shovel right here. Got the whole freaking driveway practically done. There's the back of the van. 24-25 inches of snow on top. Thrasher. Got this up for sale for $100 on Marketplace. There's somebody offered me like 75 or something, you know, but nothing. Let me get situated here and try to film this and push off at the same time. You ready? Ready? Okay, let's hold on. That's it. Bushes. Hope you saw that. Let's get this thing up. Oh. So yeah, I had to turn it to be able to make that turn. So what I'm going to do is push off, kind of get us rolling. Cool. Yeah, that was an excellent run. That's the snow thrasher, guys. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. The snowboard